What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're putting a new exhaust on the Z because the old one is currently very messed up. It's got a few holes in it, so we're gonna put the new Rev 9 exhaust on there and see how it turns out. There's the box. Got it all shiny. It came in the other day and we're finally getting around to putting it on, so we're gonna see how it turns out. As you can see, that part right there is just completely flattened. It has a hole in it on both sides just from being so low. So we're gonna go ahead and get this off. Okay.
This came with all new hardware, right?
I guess, huh? Alright, so we're kind of struggling with the video in part because of how tight it is up under here, but we just got the two last pieces off. We're starting from the back and working our way forward. So that's off, and we are on to the next part.
Boy, that's from when I ran over that coon possum deer. Oh, can't see. Oh, it even smells like it.
So this is what we got off so far. As you can see, there's like two hangers on each side in the back. We found it easiest just to take those off on each side, and then same up front. We heavily recommend the hanger pliers, so it makes it a lot easier. But we got one more piece left, and we're gonna throw on the new exhaust.
You keep making money, or don't do it, and they'll come after you with everything they got, and you won't have a company anymore.
It's landed.
Got the final front piece off, so that is the whole exhaust out of the car. So now it's time to throw on the new exhaust. All right, we got the new exhaust all laid out here beside the old one, just so we can make sure we have all the parts and where they need to go. So we're gonna start at the front and then work our way back. So we got most of it on so far. It's not all the way tightened down. We're gonna wait until we get it all together. But all we have left are these two end pieces, so we're gonna go ahead and throw them on there. The good thing is you can unbolt just these hangers and then just slip them off and put them on the new exhaust with some WD-40.
Slams jack into my wheel.
Start her up.
Get ready for exhaust leaks from hell.
Yeah.
Hey.